Nissan Altima 2007 to 2018. The LED headlight bulbs.
The Nissan Altima 2007 to 2018 LED headlight bulbs by VEHICODE are a fantastic addition to any vehicle. These LED headlight bulbs offer an impressive brightness of 4,200 lumens, providing excellent illumination on the road. The 6,000 K white color temperature ensures a crisp and clear light output, enhancing visibility in various driving conditions. One of the standout features of these LED headlight bulbs is their easy installation process. They are designed as a plug-and-play solution, which means you can effortlessly replace your old halogen bulbs with these LED bulbs without any modifications to your vehicle. This convenience factor makes them suitable for both experienced car enthusiasts and those with limited automotive knowledge. The VEHICODE-LED headlight bulbs have a wide voltage range of 12-18 volts, ensuring compatibility with different vehicle models. Additionally, they incorporate an IC circuit that ensures stable current flow, further enhancing their reliability and longevity.